Alright guys, so right now, yesterday we did the rotors and pads on this vehicle. Now we're doing the upper control arms. So basically, obviously you jack up the car, you put your jack right underneath the arm so it doesn't have any pressure. Take the wheel off, and then you have the brake line. It has two bolts here and one here. Think about just to have wiggle room, and then you gotta disconnect this one. You got a control arm on there, which is those two bolts right there. It's that one with a nut, and I think that's 21. Make sure that you kind of mark up the make a mark on it so that you know where it was at the point of tying down. That way the alignment doesn't go too off. And then after that, you remove the bolt, the nut. The bolt comes out through here, the nut and the bolt comes out through there. And then this one on the bottom is an 18. Take that nut off, kind of whack it here with a hammer, and it's gonna come up. And that's about it. And then now all we're gonna do is just put in the new one, line up the bowl, and then start putting everything back together. And everything goes back in the same way that it was taken out. Alright guys, like always, share, like, subscribe. Try the next one. And now I gotta do the other side. Alright guys, so this is all done. We got everything lined up right where we lined it up at. We put it all the same way. Everything upside down. And on the bottom. So now we're ready to just put the tires and start jumping to the other side and call it a day on this side. Alright, keep you posted. Alright guys, so this is the other side. We already greased it up a little bit more. We got the bolts and everything back together. So now we just gotta put the tire back on and call it a day. Take it for a test drive and see if we make any changes. That's what we got. Alright guys, so like always, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.